Here's a scenario. It's 5:45. Boss comes into your office and says, I need you to add just one more feature to this application, and you have to do it before you go home. You need to write text to a file and then copy it to this folder. Sounds like a 15-minute task, right? So you go into the System.io namespace and you see a file info class and you see a file class. And you start looking at the properties, events, and methods. And then you see that the file info class has an exists property, which you can use to see if the file already exists. But it doesn't have a write method. Well, the file class has a write method, but it doesn't have an exists property. And then you notice that the file info class also has an append text method. So now what are you going to do? This is no longer a 15-minute task, is it? Well, eventually, and over time, you'll figure out the file class and the file info, and you'll be very good at using the classes in the System.io namespace, so this will be a 15-minute task. But here it is 5:45, and you haven't yet mastered System.io. What are you going to do? My.computer.filesystem will handle all of the things you need to do, because it has the file exists, it has the ability to write, it has the ability to read, all in that single easy-to-use object.